I'm talking to a very popular Bangla singer, Anupam Rai. He's from India, West Bengal, Calcutta. He was born in 1982 and he studied electronics engineering, but he turned into a famous pop singer. Is it okay to say you're a pop singer?